How to check network security key in mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. In settings, click on Wi-Fi and network. And then click on Wi-Fi. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on Wi-Fi and then turn on Wi-Fi. And beside the Wi-Fi you want to select, you'll find settings gear icon at the right side. Click on that. After that, you will find the network's share password. Click on share. After you click on share, verify it's you. Then you will be able to check network security key in this way. And this is how to check network security key in mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.